Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be making lasagna roll-ups. Okay, so I'm just seasoning my ground beef. Now I'm just mixing everything up really well. And I forgot to add some Italian seasoning, so you're going to see I'm going to add some Italian seasoning in and then mix it up a little bit more. Okay, so now it's time to put the noodles in the pot. Now I'm just going to be adding the tomato sauce into the meat. The one I'm using is tomato with basil. Okay, now I'm just mixing it up, and then I'm going to be adding some ricotta cheese into the meat. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button and also make sure you subscribe. Now that everything is done, I'm just going to be starting on the roll-ups. Okay, so I realized after I did the first one, I needed to get the pan and put some meat inside of it so that the roll-ups won't stick at the bottom. Okay, so when I was doing the second roll-up, I realized I didn't want to stand them up like that, so I wound up laying the roll-ups down. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm going to show you guys when I'm done with all of them. Okay, so here I just added more sauce on top and cheese, and then I put it in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes.